Ceramic planters can be really, really expensive, and I wanted to show you how you can make your own out of a really inexpensive plastic planter. Now, we've made metallic planters before and things like that, but there's just something different about the way a ceramic planter looks. It's got that special glaze to it, and I've been able to achieve that, and so now I want to show you how to do it. I got this plastic planter at Old Time Pottery for $3, so very, very inexpensive. And then of course y'all know I love a can of spray paint, but the magic sauce really is this glaze that I started using. It's called triple thick glaze from Rust-Oleum. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take whatever color that you want, any color that you can find in the paint section at your local hardware store, and then we're going to give it a nice coat. Remember, many thin coats, not one big thick coat, and then we're going to go back with that ceramic glaze to create that really super shiny look that those ceramic planters have, and I bet you it'll fool anybody until they get up close and like tap on it. So let's get working on it. Okay, so I finished putting the coats of spray paint on this container, and I used the Rust-Oleum Hammered. It's silver in color, and what I like about it is it has some, when it dries, it has some dark places and some light places, which kind of adds interest once we put this glaze on. So the next step is we're gonna do the glaze. Now make sure when you're using this glaze, it is called triple thick glaze, and it will run very easily. So make sure that you're putting it on in very thin layers and thin coats until you achieve the glossy look that you want. It usually takes one coat, possibly two. So I'm gonna get started with that next. All right, we've got our coat of the silver paint, and then we put that glaze, that triple thick glaze over it, and you can see how glossy it is. It really does look like a ceramic piece of pottery, not plastic. And really, these plastic pots are so great if you have kids or if you have animals that tend to knock things over. This won't break, shatterproof, which is perfect. So the last thing you need to do is just add the plant, which, you know, I love to just like pop a plant in and add some Spanish moss. There you go. Done, guys. Project finished. Make sure you comment below if you try this project. I can't wait to see the photos of what you guys have done at home. And of course, make sure to subscribe and like if you're on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe if you're on YouTube. I'll see you guys next time.